Hello, today we're going to be doing LeetCode problem 2877, which is create a data frame from list. This problem states, write a solution to create a data frame from a 2D list called student data. This 2D list contains the IDs and ages of some students. The data frame should have two columns, student ID and age, and be in the same order as the original 2D list. The result format is in the following example. So input student data you can see there, and the output is just that data arranged in a table. It says the data frame was created on top of student data with the two columns named student ID and age. Okay, so to do this problem we're going to use the Pandas library, which sits on top of Python and is used for data manipulation and analysis, so it creates data structures. And with that being said, it makes this problem very, very easy. So the first thing we're going to do is define the columns. Columns names equal, and the syntax for this is basically single quote student ID and age. Oops, single quote age. And dealing in Python, so no semicolons, closing brackets, end brackets, none of that stuff. Okay, so now we're just going to return PD data frame, which is defined above, and I'm going to pass in student data, the input parameter, and the columns is going to be equal to the column names that we just defined. And that is it. The Pandas library does the rest, so let's see if this works. And it does. You can see the output. They're not actually going to show us a grid, but looks just the same. Let's submit this. Looks good, beats 78.11% of users with Pandas. The time complexity for this is O of n, which is just basically the size of the student data. Space complexity is O of n too, as well. Based on the size of the student data, we'll need more space. And that is pretty much it. Let me know if you have questions, and we'll see you next time.